Hello guys, this is Vishal back again with the new concept called liquidity. Do you know what is liquidity? I think most of us heard the name called liquidity, and whatever you have heard, I'll make it simple. The simple meaning is just your stop losses. Liquidity is nothing but your stop losses. Yes, I can say that. Wherever the liquidity is, there the retailer's stop losses are being laid. Okay, let me grab an example for you guys. So if we take this high here, okay, it broke the structure here. Okay, we all see this, the break of the structure, and we wanted to sell and we put our stop loss above this high, which forms liquidity for big players to enter. Even they wanted to sell, they wanted to be in short, not buy, but they can't find those positions, like because they have lump sum amount of money, not like 1 lakh, 100k, 200k. They have thousands of crores to dump the money into the market. So in order to dump those huge amounts, they need a better price. Okay, so the better price will be above your stop losses, because see, it went down, it built lot of liquidity above this particular high. Like there will be lot of stop losses. See, after going above this high, see, not even here, it did not broke here, it again went down, grab, maintaining and increasing the liquidity above the particular high. Once it break above this high with huge liquidity and stop losses, what happens is, now they accumulate their positions. They will be in short, they'll be shorting the positions, they'll accumulate the short positions. Okay, you can see this fall. See, this is today's market, it is still going down. We can short this market and we can take profits below this equal lows, below this trend line liquidity. This is 15-minute time frame, guys. See, this is the trend line. We all know the retailers, we have the stop losses below this trend line, below this equal lows, below these equal lows. Okay, we can take profits accordingly. So first of all, in order to take a call, like in order to move the market to one side, it has to take liquidity. It has to go to those areas where there is huge liquidity. Liquidity is nothing but finding equal amount of sellers if you wanted to buy, or else finding equal amount of buyers if you wanted to sell. For example, if the big players wanted to sell, like us, like retailers, okay, they'll be not finding that much amount of sellers, okay, that much amount of buyers in this position, because they wanted to sell, they can't find that much amount of buyers at this high. So what they build is liquidity. Once we all retailers see this as a breakout, and we all now shift our or else plan our trades towards buying side. We all wanted to buy now, not short the market, rather we tend to buy the market. Then they will accumulate their orders interval wise, like they don't accumulate at once. They accumulate once, they give a retracement back, and then accumulate once. Okay, that is the proper structure, proper bearish structure they will form once they move to the liquidity zones. Okay, This is all what we need to see if you wanted to take a call, either shorting the market or else buying the market. If you wanted to buy the market, you need to find the liquidity, you need to find the sell stops below, and after grabbing those liquidity, we need to plan our buying opportunities. Okay, and then we need to plan our take profits according to the retailer stop losses, retailers liquidity. Okay, we all know here above below this equal loss we can find liquidity. Above this trend, below this trend line, there are a lot of liquidity buy stops. So this is how the liquidity plays a major role, and liquidity provides big players to take their positions in the market. Okay, never take a trade before the liquidity run. It has to go above the liquidity, and then see the break of the structure and plan your trades accordingly. Okay, always follow the higher time frame analysis first and then move to the lower time frame. Yeah, thank you so much guys. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos like this. I'll be simplifying each and every concept in forex market based upon my 8.5 years of experience. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.